My name's Kathleen Reddy and I am a lecturer in Gaelic at the University of Glasgow, and I'm very excited to tell you today about the new program that I'm going to be delivering, the Bliana Voki, or Gaelic with Immersion. Students can expect a challenging and interactive course that will help them increase their Gaelic fluency and their confidence in speaking Gaelic. It will have aspects of reading, writing, speaking and listening, and that students will be immersed in Gaelic language and in Gaelic culture. Applications are now open. The application deadline is the 19th of June. Interviews will be held on the 26th of June. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, we've had to reassess how we will be delivering this course, and it looks like we'll be taking a blended approach that will include both remote and face-to-face delivery. However, we will be monitoring this situation over the summer, and we'll be guided by Central University and government advice. For those of you who are interested in doing it as a CERT HE, now is the time to get your applications in.